one full chicken because I don't want little pieces of chicken. Then I have to make a lot of them, and that will take a lot of time. So I'm gonna have one big chicken. First, we need the actual ingredients because chicken is pretty obvious. So we need 1 cup of curd. See, it's your curd, and also 3 tablespoons of chili powder, and then also 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, or 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. It matters how much salt you want, because if you want it to be very salty, you can add more salt, or if you want it to be like less salty, you can add less salt. But I want 1 tablespoon of salt. So also we need 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and also 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and also I have some kasturi methi, and also half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So let's get into it. I'm going to make the marinade for the chicken. So I'm just going to make it all together and make a paste. Like last video, not a toothpaste. So first I'm going to put the curd. You can put whatever ingredient you want first. But I just like curd a lot because it's cold and it tastes really nice. Okay, now I'm going to put the coriander powder on it. So just dump it up. But make sure there's nothing sticking to the edges because of course it's very naughty. Powder sometimes, not all the time, only sometimes. They just feel like not to obey the rules. So I'm also going to put the salt inside. Also you can use your hand to take it out if you're just being naughty and being like a spider. Now I'm going to also put the kasturi methi leaves inside. Nice. And now I'm going to put the turmeric powder inside. Just put it there. Oh, it looks very colorful like this. I kind of like the look of it. Now I'm going to put the actual chili powder. I'm going to just use a spoon to put it in. Even though it doesn't really stick that much. Now I'm just going to put this in as well. And this cumin powder. And this. Perfect. Now it looks like a variety of food is mixed and mashed together. Nice. Now I'm going to make a paste using the ingredients. So I'll just mix it together. Whoa, it looks so colorful. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's make it together. I have made the paste with all of the ingredients and I mixed it together and it looks really nice. If you want to add chaat masala and you have it, or you like it, you can also add it, but it's optional. But the thing that is not optional is you have to like and subscribe this video. I'm kidding, it's also optional. Okay, but please make sure you like and subscribe this video. Now I'm going to put the paste on the chicken. I have put the paste on the chicken everywhere, so it looks like this. I'm going to add some oil on the top of it because I don't want it to become dry, because it won't be nice if it's like so dry and if there's so many liquids. So if you want, you can just add some oil on the top. So I'm just going to take my oil and put it in the top. So I'm just going to do that. Nice. Now it won't become dry, I think. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. You can even do it overnight, but I'm just going to put it for 2 hours because I'm too excited to eat it. I have taken the chicken out of the fridge after a few hours. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for around 1 hour, and also I'm heat of the oven is 200 degrees. This is a pretty hot thing. It's like usually I do 180, but it's 200 this time because yeah. And also I have to preheat the oven for 10 minutes before I cook it. And also, if you haven't realized this, if you put the chicken in the oven for some time, make sure you just check on it for oil because the chicken itself has oil, so it may come out. So make sure you just take a spoon and put it on top of the oil so it becomes nice and oily. I have taken the chicken out of the oven after 1 hour. Also, you can also add another 10 minutes. It doesn't matter. You can do 1 hour and 10 minutes. So it looks like this now. Nice and roasted. And also, if it keeps on giving out oil, you can just put it on it constantly so it becomes oily. Yeah, of course, I said that before. And also, it's also optional to do this. So you can just put it in the oven for 30 minutes and then wrap it in foil for another 30 minutes. But it's optional, so you don't have to do it. So if you don't have foil, all you have to do is just flip it to the other side for another 30 minutes. So enjoy!